Hello, and welcome to my channel Top Stitched. In this video, we will review how to correctly print and assemble a digital sewing pattern purchased from my shop, which is linked in the description box below. If you plan on printing your pattern at home on a standard letter or A4 size paper, there are a few key steps you will want to follow to make sure you are creating an accurate pattern. First, make sure you are selecting the PDF file that coordinates with your paper size. Once the file is open, we are going to select Print and make sure that the scaling setting is set to 100%. You have the option of first printing just the page that contains the inches and centimeter guides, and using your ruler to confirm the scales are correct. Once your pattern is printed out and the scale is confirmed to be accurate, we need to cut off the margins before we tape each piece of paper together. I like to take the edge of a clear ruler and line it up with where the pattern lines and the square guidelines cut off. I just cut off the right and bottom side of each paper. This saves time and allows for some overlap that will make the pattern pieces a little sturdier. Once the margins have been cut off, line up the pieces of paper so the pattern lines as well as the square guide lines match up. Tape along where the papers overlap, including where they overlap near the edge of the pattern. Cut out your size following the size guide on the pattern or in the PDF instruction packet. Once finished, you will be ready to cut out your pattern pieces on the fabric you have chosen. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on how to print and assemble digital sewing patterns at home. To get notified of new sewing pattern tutorials and other videos, you can hit the subscribe button and then the bell icon below.